Luxury Caribbean living at its finest. This is the Blue House on South Beach, Jolly Harbour, Antigua. From the welcoming courtyard, the home opens into a bright and spacious kitchen designed for effortless island living. The living spaces flow seamlessly outdoors to covered dining, a private pool deck, and one of Antigua's most beautiful beaches. South Beach is literally steps away. Back inside, the open concept design creates a relaxed and inviting atmosphere throughout the home. Upstairs, a versatile loft space serves as an additional bedroom, office, or private retreat, complete with its own bathroom and jacuzzi tub. The first guest suite features a king-size bed and private ensuite bathroom. A second guest bedroom also offers ensuite comfort for family and visitors. Across the courtyard, a spacious third suite includes its own kitchenette, creating the perfect self-contained apartment for guests or rental opportunities. The master suite offers generous living space, a luxurious ensuite bathroom, and direct access to the beachfront balcony. Wake up to Caribbean sea views every morning. Powered by solar energy and battery storage, the Blue House combines luxury with modern efficiency. The boathouse includes dedicated storage space for all your waterfront equipment. A substantial boat lift, jet ski lift, and jet ski crane make getting out on the water effortless. Inside the second section of the boathouse, you'll find a fully air-conditioned private gym. Beachfront, boating, privacy, luxury. The Blue House, South Beach, Jolly Harbour, Antigua. Contact Premier Properties Antigua to arrange your private viewing.